My brothers and sisters on our road, this is a beautiful sister, Laminatou Sanko, the one and only, the original, no duplicate. Any other Laminatou na carbon copy, you, my brother, they look me, you, my sister, they look me, una feel free to share this video. This video where I make so today, now for all the step mama there and the step papa there. But I can let for start with my brothers then first. You, my brother, they look me, now you are the top two. Where you meet that woman, he get picking or he get picking them. No expect say that woman will take you, it put you on top of him picking aid. Or on top of him picking aid. It's not possible. At the beguna in the name of God. And guess what? You get for patients them picking and they like how you the patients the mama. The love what you get for them picking for you the mama. Now that same love they back again. You for share panda picking day or panda picking and they their mama. If you don't want me to touch you, no go monkey party. Some of una there, una want the mama there, but una no want the picking them. It's not possible. If you want the woman, no say it can with a package. It no either by you. It tell you say I get picking or I get picking them. So you get for ready for patience with that picking day or patient with them picking them day where that woman they bring come. And the beg una in the name of God. Some of una there una can want me the woman there. May them abandon the picking for una sake. May them forget about the picking because of una. You may brother look me now, you are the top two. It's not nice. When you like monkey, you for like in tail. If you like the woman, you go like in picking them. Or you go like in picking. The patient with the woman, now so you for patients back again, with in picking or with in picking them. Once in a while, the picking them will act up. Sometimes they will say, oh, now the mama. And no case is the way they say, quick they can put up on the mammy there. Innocent come brother. Not so the mama then they tell the pikin and say the pikin fit una or make the pikin disrespect una. No. So I beg una in the name of God, my brother say. Una we get step pikin them. When you like monkey, you like in tail. Una patient una step pikin them or una step pikin una patient with them like how una the patient with the mama de. I beg una in the name of God. The love una the show to the mommy, una extend them to the pikin them. And again when you talk about the dog, you the papa they not can like that too. I dey tell una this. What the papa can every day no more. Oh na so lamina to do. Oh na so lamina to do. Lamina to this do today. What the papa where he go to impadi day? It was me do my so every day wa come work aka no mo. E dey let me pikin lamina to in complain. E dey let me pikin lamina to in complain. For say me pikin lamina to you no get no better thing we go do. Pass no more for form goodness pana. Pass for disrespect am. Pass for cause no more. Every day wa can go let this pikin in complain. Na this lamina to do. Na this lamina to do. Hey, guess what? The man go tire. They go send you packing. Because I will say, you know what, it can't meet me with me picking. There, you know, one see me picking, one shiny eye by me picking. Well, it can't meet me with me picking. Look like for saying, go. So, man, and then they will send you packing. Straight up. So, my sisters, them are the beguna in the name of God. They picking there, when they do una something. When I deal with them, when they papa can only complain, may they go complain. Because when I no look the number for the wawa, when I catch them, when I beat them. And for some of una the step mama the way they carry them picking they are so to juju. When they carry on a step picking and go to juju, that nonsense they get for stop because waiting to the turn they can forecast strike una. And then they roll in. And they beg una in the name of God. Una step picking them, una get for they pray for them. They can una they pray for una young picking them. Because at the time una one thing, you don't know the picking they can better you tomorrow. So till that step picking them go can better you. And at the time una one thing, my sisters them, it's a challenge. So today I can sit up and the feeling for una when I step mama. How una they able for handle the step picking them. Because some step picking them, they trust me. It takes the grace of God. You go out for just squeeze them. I know that. But hey, the love una get for them papa de. And the beg una in the name of God. Una extend that to them. Una pray for them step picking there, yeah. Like how una they pray for una young picking there. Because una no tomorrow who's picking where they come for can better una. And una be very careful how una they teach them picking there, yeah. Because what you do, una go feel say they're small, they no go understand. But guess what? They go understand. Let alone you can meet step picking where in teeth all down brown and mouth. You can meet step picking like lamina to sanko. We're stubborn. What you go do? You go on for the swemmy? No swemmy. Because if you swemmy, guess what? The swell will go by you young picking up, by you young picking them. You want for the let me complain every day to me papa? No. Deal with me when me papa no day. When me papa can you sit down, you said you want. Me go let you complain. Me papa go no say, you know alapa me because of our war. You alapa me because of her do bad. And I beg you in the name of God. Because when the woman then we can get problem. Also you need step mama. My sister say that you step picking skits like you skits your own picking day. Or like you skits your own picking. At the big in the name of God, you know no speak where they can better you tomorrow. And my sisters are the tell una one thing. We not get for patient too. We not get for be extremely patient. Because the picking them, guess what? They go act up. Then papa then go talk to them, but they go listen. No, they never listen. Because what you do, some of them they jealous for their mama there. So they go act up. But we not the step mama there. So me I the advice una just patient and be very prayerful. Una patient with them picking ya and show them love. Like how una the patient with them papa them and like how una show them papa them love. Una show them self love. And the beg una in the name of God. You step picking it cost you, no swear. It disrespect you, no swear. And they beg you in the name of God. If you let him papa, you go extend that love there to him. And then me brothers them again. One of the coming up then girl there, then get picking or they get picking them. Una learn for patience with them picking them ya. Because some of una they will soon come. Una want now for me make you forget what's in picking there. It's not possible. Una can meet them so with the picking or with the picking there. If you like monkey, you for like in tail. If you like mama, you for like her. Una be patient with them, my brothers. They are the beg una in the name of God. It's a challenge. But guess what? If una be prayerful, una go conquer. Una go able. Some of this, una also say step picking a bill also and step mama. Step picking the Bible to for and step mama. Step picking the Bible to for and step papa. Step picking the bill also and step papa. Una don't see it's happening. So una just patient with them. At the beg una in the name of God. For the love una get for una spouse there, una patient with them step picking there.